Hello, Amazon.com and Walmart.com. It's me, Beau. We are coming to you today with Gotrax, with this electric scooter. Now, the weight limit is 124 pounds, I believe it is. So obviously, I'm not going to be fitting on this, which is why my wonderful daughters are helping demonstrate this today. Really quickly, before we get this going, how you put this thing together. There are 4 different bolts, 1, 2, and then on the other side, 3, 4. You're going to put those guys in, which will assemble this front wheel. And then if you put that sleeve up, there are 2 bolts here, 1 and 2. And those go in there to put the stem on. And then lastly, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 to put this on. And that's pretty much it. When you sandwich that down, you are good to go. If you want to charge it, you can right here using that port. It does have a kickstand. And to power it on, you need to press this with your foot. And then that is powered on. Then, once you are going, you push this at the same time, and that will engage the motor. So think of this as the ignition, and think of this as the accelerator. And then, Lucy, how do you brake? Very good. Either you lift your foot off of that, or you just push this, and then that's the brake, just like a conventional scooter. Let's go ahead and take it for a spin. She's got her safety equipment on. This is her second time doing it. Don't forget that front foot. Front foot's got to be on there. Let's see if she can do it. Hey, she figured it out. And just like that, exactly the second time of her setting foot on that thing, and she is doing it. Perfect. Good job. Overall, I give it a 5 out of 5 stars. Fantastic for little kids. If you're an adult, I'm sorry, it's not gonna fit you. But for kids, absolutely awesome. Reasonably priced, and look at that. It looks like I gotta get another one for the other one now. Oh boy. That's it, 5 out of 5 stars, Beau out.